Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and we're going to use it on the fur of our dog. As you guys can see how the fur gets there, and you push it and then you can take it off or suck it up. Is that a good girl? Yes, that was a good girl. Look at all that. So this thing works great. Good girl, do you want a snacky now? Yeah, you were a good girl. Yeah, weren't ya? Hi, my name's Scott. Today we are reviewing the LMVVC Pet Grooming and Home Vacuum Kit. It is great for medium or long-haired dogs, plus your house. Okay, wow. There's a lot to unpack here, my friends. You get a manual, you get clippers, 3mm, 9mm, 10mm, 24mm, clipper oil, extension nozzle, the actual clipper itself, cleaning brush. What's nice about these brushes, so when you are brushing your pet fur, all you have to do is press this button and it pushes the fur front, and then you just pull it right off. It makes it very, very easy for cleaning. Another extension nozzle, soft bristles. Looks like we have another grooming nozzle. So this is great for grooming and around their paws. And again, you just press and it pushes the fur forward, which is great. Now the actual unit itself. Oh, I like this. I'm glad they have a transparent hose, because that allows you to see if there's a clog in the line. That's excellent. That was very smart of the brand to do that. Okay, so press the power button. This is mode number 1. As you can hear, it is fairly quiet. Number 2. Number 3. We're going to put this to the test as far as regular cleaning. So to connect the hose, let's see, it should just be this bottom piece here. Yes, so you just connect it down in here. Let's see, we're going to clean off our tabletop here. Let's go with this extension. Okay, we're going to set this down. And we're going to clean all this off, and we're going to see. You know, actually, I kind of want you guys to be able to see this. I don't know if you can see it off to the side here. So you can see if it picks up any debris, any dirt. So let's go ahead and try this. Put it on high. So if you guys can see on the side here, it's already picked up stuff, and that's just right on our top here, and it made it cleaned it much nicer. So there's tons of options you can do with this. We're gonna go ahead and do some cleaning with it and test it out, and I'll get back to you guys. So we're actually doing very well. I love how it's so open. So we're just cleaning out all of our debris in our track here. I would say it works great. And then you just lift this up to clean it out. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna use it on the fur of our dog. As you guys can see how the fur gets there, and you push it and then you can take it off or suck it up. Just like that. So you push it, and then you can suck all the fur back. And it goes right in there. So yeah, it works great.